Magical candle light. Each flameless taper candle in this set is ingeniously designed to appear as if it's floating, adding a magical touch to your Halloween decorations when hung a place in the desired location. The illusion of the floating candle is created, evoking a magical and a mystical atmosphere. These flameless LED candles come with the innovative wand remote, easy to control with just wave of a wand, and you can turn the candle on or off, adjust the brightness or set desired brightness pattern, allowing you to the customize ambience effortlessly. Wherever you are decorating your home for Halloween, for looking for a unique gift, these flameless floating candles are an excellent choice. They add a touch and attachment to your spooky decor. Hamburger chopper. Not only an our meat chopper perfect for ground beef, but it's only versatile enough to handle other ingredients like poultry, pork, and even vegetable. Whenever you are making burger, meatball, tacos, and stir-fry dishes, our hamburger chopper will be go-to tool achieving consistent. Our meat chopper to ground beef design make your ground beef profession quickly and effortless with powerful blades and ergonomic handle. And this meat master you can easily chop and mince beef to perfection on in time to saving valuable time and effort in the kitchen. Importance of convenience in the kitchen. The way our ground beef smasher is designed with easy to cleaning in mind, it is washer safe component, make cleaning a breeze saving you time and effort so you can focus on enjoying your learning creation. And the beside our meat spatula chopper is compact and roasted does not take up much room, making it perfect for a smaller kitchen for our those who perfect to kitchen continue. Light sanitizer box with multifunction, clean sanitizer with the place of the phone and other high-touch care. Backed by 10 AV technology has been class product. Your entire phone and small object using 360-degree magnification. Our unique painted design ensure powerful grammatical light reach all the side and surfaces of object placed inside. Our combination of chamber design, selective material, bulb placement, our phone sanitizer and charger box, one of the best phone accessories. Phone so free into power with the provided cord placed into the your phone and other item inside. Close lid the begin disignification and you remove your nearly designified item for 10 minutes. The phone shop fit in 3 minutes 10 minutes. Model like the iPhone 8 Plus. Sewing machine lightweight sewing machine with qualities machines cast script light over the machine bed with 24 LED chips casting light over your project. You can sew day or night with ideal lighting with no shadow to throw off accuracy. This new bright saving machine LED light strip help you create a professional looking stitch into the this seam line embroidery and appliances. For detail-oriented work, the LED sewing machine light has suitable hints of blue and purple to promote the concentration and the detail eye strain so projects are easier and more pleasurable to fit long and short arm machines. You bright saving machine light strip. Electric body scrub. The body brush enables through the cleansing and the exfoliation for the entire body, leaving the skin soft, radiant, and ready for the rest of your skincare routine. Enjoy a pleasant cleansing experience and body massage in the shower or even in the bath. And the influxating brush is fully waterproof. The handle is removable and enable a convenient use for the whole body, even on hard to reach area like the back. The two included brush attachment are suitable either for deep cleansing, exfoliation, and the soft treatment of all skin type. Choose between two speeds level of an even deeper cleaning and use the electric body brush without rotation depending on your need and skin type suitable for men and women. The powerful spinning brush allow to 60 minutes of use. Please allow to brush charge for 2 hours before the first use and read all the instructions. Cup holder tray for cup holder tray is large enough to hold meal. The phone slot allow you watch at the same time. The lane cup holder explain make your eating and go the convenient and enjoyable card food tray. Heavy duty meat ensure its suitable stability and eliminate this shaking. The tray is 360-degree rotatable to set any place you like stable, and the cup holder expanded in large enough to hold most larger water bottle and drink. Works great with most bottle cup and drink. The inside of cup holder extended digital kitchen timer LED light to clear, making the perfect for quick cleanings while you are busy cooking in the kitchen, working out in the gym, practicing yoga, or studying in the library. And the ideal visual countdown timer for any setting operating the easy to use Promago timing to be simply rotate the dial to set your desired and time and press the start button. Additionally, this digital timer offers three present options 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 25 minutes for quickly and easy access. The magnetic timer is equipped with a strong magnetic on the back, allowing in the stick securely and the metallic surface such as refrigerator, oven, whiteboard, and the magnet is strong enough to hold so that you don't have to remove it from the fridge door and set timer. It is convenient timer use. And when you need the adjustment timer feature, there are three alarm sound level mute, medium, and high, ensuring you can hear it